Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? Well, the cold is upon us. Feifel and Two Holes have gone into hibernation. And where do they like to hibernate? Well, they like to hibernate in the valley of the shadow of the engine, inside where it's nice and warm, where there are knock sensors and there are nice soy-based wiring to buffet upon. Now that we have removed the upper intake, the lower intake, and both high pressure fuel rails, there's one right there. Now we could see their nest right here. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to vacuum up that and see what damage to the knock harness is there. So let's get that out of there and we'll get back to you. Oh wow, that's an extra thick nest right here. Oh wow, that's a whole lot bigger than I thought it was. Giggity. Ah! Alright, now that we have cleared out the nest, we can clearly see that there is a chewed harness to bank 1 knock sensor. That's easy, because we can get that sub harness and replace it. This is actually not that bad, because now that we're here, I'm looking at all the fuel injection wiring, and they didn't decide to chew that one. They just decided to chew the wire that was going right through the middle of their nest. So things could be a whole lot worse. Well, you see, things are bad, but they could be a whole lot worse. So we'll quote that harness. Hopefully we have it in stock. If not, we're going to have to order it, but we're not going to repair that. We're going to replace that entire harness. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further flavor and further rodents. Oh yeah.